Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sunny Sharma. I've attended about 6 or 7 yoga sessions with Charu Puri at a modern yogi. My purpose of coming to yoga class was just for physical activity, change in my regular lifestyle, being involved in the corporate world and traveling and running around constantly for work. I felt like I really had nothing separate going on in my life other than work and the regular runarounds like many of you guys may have in your lives as well. So by coming here, I definitely feel more energetic throughout the weeks, and I practice some of my sessions at home as well. So if you guys are looking for a new change, I highly recommend you to join a modern yoga classes and experience it for yourself. And I don't think you can go wrong. Once a week or twice a week, an hour session, 30 minutes to an hour is it's hard to sometimes add into your regular schedule, but if I can do it, you can do it, and I definitely recommend you to come to a modern yogi for yoga classes. Thank you.
Thanks, Sunny. That means a lot. Thanks so much. So I know that I always tell Sunny, I say, okay, well, feel the lower back opening up, feel like the muscles stretching. So are you starting to feel, or do you still feel like discomfort or pain?
I do feel the exercises that I'm doing along with the breathing, and at the same time I do feel pain. Like everybody's body is different.
Yeah.
So someone who doesn't exercise often for the first couple of sessions may feel sore, but it's soreness in a good way.
Yeah, like sweet pain.
Yes.
Yeah, not uncomfortable pain.
It's not like, lifting heavy weights in an uncomfortable way or anything. It's just pain because everybody's body is different.
Gotcha. Okay, good. I love having you. I love when you come. And so we'll just keep going and keep getting more healthy and fit.
For sure. Thank you.
All right. Thanks.